right, out here on this beautiful 100-degree day, I'm going to be firing up the Pitts and Spitz hybrid using the pellet grill into this. I'm going to be doing party ribs. If you haven't never had these, you're going to love them. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to do them. All right, I got the pit all up to temperature. And what I did inside is I took a rack of St. Louis ribs. I went ahead and just cut each bone off of there, and you can see them right there. This is nothing to it. You just want to take whatever your favorite rub is. I'm using this Pitts and Spitz barbecue rub. It's pretty good stuff. We're just gonna go ahead and coat all the way around. That's the good thing about cutting these off. You can season your sides, the back, the front, everything. You can get a bark all the way around these ribs. All right, now I'm cooking these kind of fast. I actually have it probably about 290 degrees. It's probably gonna fluctuate between 275 and 300. This is the pellet grill side here that I'm putting these over. That's all of them right there. Go ahead and put that in, close her up. Now we're cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and get this washed out because I will be using this later. All right, I haven't really been keeping up with the time. I wanna say we've been going around an hour maybe. But I wanna go ahead and take a look at this. Oh yeah, we're starting to sweat in good. Oh, that's already set. Yeah, that's set pretty good. All I want to do is just flip these over. And see how you get that crust over all the sides when you do that? These are going to cook faster than if they were just one rack, because they're all individual. Oh yeah, these are going to be good. Let's flip all these around. If you had a bunch of people coming over, you could probably take like 4 or 5 racks. Really depending on how many people you got coming over. And you could fill up this entire thing across here, across the top. You could definitely have a party with them. We'll check on them in probably another 45 minutes to an hour. Well, I'll tell you one thing, doing them like this really speeds up the time. I've only been going a couple of hours, and these are already hitting like 195, 200, somewhere in there. So what I want to do at this point is go ahead and put these in this pan. Oh yeah, man, these are gonna be good. All right, yeah, I've got to excuse the light. These clouds are hiding the sun, then the sun's out. It's got my exposure all over the place. So hopefully this will turn out good, but I'm using Keith Jenkins Knee Deep Arugula barbecue sauce. I'm gonna do this kind of like I would do burnt ends. We're just gonna have them kind of swimming in this sauce to let them finish off. About like that. You probably don't have to go to that extreme, but that's what I'm going to do. Now we want to take and make sure everything is good and coated. Turn them, toss them, so they're completely covered in this sauce. This is going to be some of that sticky goodness you get all over your hands when you try to eat them. Oh yeah, that one's got my name all over it. Just like that, coat them good. Now the sun comes back out, it's probably blowing out. That's the only problem with shooting outdoors. I do not use an automatic exposure because it creates more problems than it fixes a lot of times for me. All right, let's see what that looks like. Yep, overexposed. All right, I'm definitely having some issues with this camera. Actually, it's not the camera, it's the guy that's operating the camera, which is me. At any rate, they're completely sauced. As you can see, they look really good, probably better to me than they do on camera. But I'm just gonna place them right here. We're gonna close this up. Actually, I'm gonna pull them about right here. Go ahead and close them up. Probably around another 30 to 45 minutes, and they'll be good enough. They're already tender, but they should be really tender at that point. All right, we've been going about another 30, 35 minutes, something like that. All right, I want to kind of probe around a little bit, see what we got. Oh yeah, that's tender. Pull this right here, close our lid. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and shut the power off on the Pitts and Spitz hybrid. Gonna let these cool off just a little bit to where I can give you a taste. All right, my wife is on me because she is hungry and she's got to work tomorrow morning early, and these things are piping hot, but I'm gonna try to give you a taste regardless. I don't know if you can see that. Smells incredible. Here we go. Oh, tender. One more bite. Perfect. Party ribs. Use your favorite seasoning, use your favorite sauce, cut them off the bone, do them like this. You got a crust all the way around them, and they're going to cook in about, I say, half the time. Really good. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm Russ Jones with Smoky Ribs Barbecue.